Today we're going to learn how to multiply and divide by 10. To help understand this concept, my friend from Land and Education and I made these graphic organizers. The first page of this graphic organizer shows you how to use it, and the second page uses a dry erase marker to write on it. Let's try some example problems. The first example problem is going to be 33 times 10. The first thing that you want to do is write your number on your place value chart. So we have 33, and we're going to multiply that by 10. When you multiply it by 10, what you're actually doing is moving each digit one place value to the left. So this 3 tens is now going to be 3 hundreds. My 3 ones is now going to be 3 tens, and I can add a 0, making my answer 330. Let's try another problem. 463 times 100. Step 1 is to put your number on the place value chart. 463. Now this time we're not multiplying by 10, we're multiplying by 100, which is 10 times 10. So I'm going to take my 4 and I'm not going to just move it one time, I'm going to move it 2 place values. So if I move it once, it would become 1,000. And if I move it again, it is now a 10,000. Everything else is going to move twice as well. So my 6, it was a 10, then 100, and then 1,000. My 3, it was a 1, it became a 10, and then 100. And then for my last 2 place values, I'm going to add zeros, making the answer 46,300. Let's try one more problem. 28 times 1,000. Again, step 1, let's place that 28 on our place value chart. 28. Now this time, we're not multiplying by 10 or 100. We're multiplying by 1,000. An easy way to know how many place values you need to move is to count the zeros. And the number 1,000, how many zeros are there? That's right, there's 3. So we're going to move these numbers 3 place values to the left. So my 2 is going to go to the hundreds, to the thousands, to the 10,000s. 2. My 8 is just going to follow the same pattern as my 2, the 10, the hundreds, and the thousands. And then I'm going to add zeros all the way down the ones, and my answer becomes 28,000. If you like this graphic organizer, it'll be on Teachers Pay Teachers under Land of Education, and I'll link it in the comments.